I'm drained. So guys, you ever feel like you want to just run away? Yeah, me too. Right now, I am just kind of driving. I'm just tired. I'm trying to find my own happiness while trying to make everyone else happy, and I don't really know what to do next. And I am just tired, and I just want to leave so people can appreciate what the fuck I do, because I feel like people don't. So I contemplated on just going to a hotel and leaving and just not telling anybody where I am. But I don't want my daughter to worry, and I don't want to put her in the middle. I already talked to my mother. What is going on here, bro? I don't understand. There's like traffic. I'm like stuck in the middle of the road. So go. So that's not gonna fix anything by doing that. I don't really know what will. Like I said, I already told you guys, me and Kilo are clashing, and he's going through whatever he's going through. I'm sure he would blame it on me. I'm really just trying to find my peace. I really am. I'm doing everything possible. I'm trying to do a lot to fulfill me and do things for other people to make them happy, and I can't do it all. And I just am tired. My son had said something to me, and I just really don't know how to talk anymore. I just like I'm questioning my own, not my thoughts, but like, am I wrong? I'm starting to question, like, am I wrong? Well, if I'm wrong and I don't know what I'm doing wrong, I don't want to talk. I don't want to be next to anybody, because God forbid I say the wrong thing. Like, I really don't know what's right to say. So I was telling my son is having his teeth pulled. I was trying to tell him that he probably won't be able to go to work tomorrow because his mouth is going to be swollen. He's having 3 teeth pulled. I showed him a picture. You know, we're talking about Tony here. So I showed him a picture saying, like, listen, because he wants to still go to work. And I said, I'm pretty sure your boss is going to understand that you're getting all your teeth pulled. You know, if you're going to go to work and you're going to try to go to work, you're probably going to want to wear a mask, right? So I showed him the picture of me, and I told him, you know, because he smokes, and I told him, you know, I hope I don't get locked in here. I told him that it's probably a good idea to take tomorrow off, and that if he smokes, he has to use the gauze. And then all of a sudden he comes with, see, I ain't even going then. You convinced me I don't want to go. I'm like, what? Yeah, that's why people get mad at you, Ma. That's why people get mad at you, because you scared me now. And I'm like, I'm not trying to scare you. I'm just being real with you. You can't smoke. You probably are going to be in some pain tomorrow, but you probably are going. I said, okay. I'm not going to be a mom then. What kind of a mom would I be if I didn't tell you these things to warn you? You've never had it done. I've had it done many times. But okay, you know what? I said, forget you. And I just left. Meanwhile, I have so many leftovers in the fridge that I had just cooked last night. And I had walked out. And that just, it put the cherry on the top, on the cake. Because I walked out and I said, I'm not cooking dinner. And I see a side eye from my husband. I said, well, you know, and of course I started explaining myself. We got the taco meat from last night. I got the lasagna that I had made the night before. There's a whole pizza in there because Tony had bought pizza when he was over. And what am I going to make more food to have more leftovers? No, eat them up. I saw a little side eye. Then the whole conversation with Tony happened. And I just got in the car, guys. I've been door dashing all day. I got in the car and I felt like I just didn't want to go home. I just want to like run away and make people see. So, I mean, I can go to a hotel, although I don't want to worry my daughter. I could care less about my son and my husband because they don't care. They'll just keep it moving. My husband will probably worry, but hopefully maybe a point will be made. Like, I don't know. So I called my mom. She was going to a Al-Anon meeting or whatever, you know. I don't know if you guys know what Al-Anon is. Al-Anon is for people who deal with addicts or whatever. She's been going to it since I was a kid because of my father, and like she just makes friends there and shit, and she just goes and, you know, whatever. But I wanted to go take a walk and talk to God. And I didn't want to go anywhere where I would see people because I don't want to talk to people. I want to talk to God. So this is where I am. I'm at the cemetery. Now some people would think that that's kind of dark. But to me it's not. I've been walking at cemeteries since my kids were little. It's just a place that I go. It's just beautiful to me. The graves don't bother me. I'm just kind of just going through it. And I'm going to talk to God and ask God to give me peace. Hopefully I don't get locked in here, because if I do, this is where I'm sleeping. I'm just not. And I haven't been. I've been saying I want to run away. Haven't said that in a long time. I remember being a kid saying I want to run away. I'm going to run away. And I did it. And I had no fear. I just did it. And I found a place that I wanted to just go, and that's where I was. And honestly, I could go to Ma's house. But that's too close because they'll know I'm there. And I could go in the camper, but I don't want them talking to me. I just want them to realize that your wife is hurt. Your mom is hurt. And when mom stops talking, I don't know. Oh, that's cute. Jägermeister. Look, somebody came and brought their loved one something, their favorite drink. Had a little drink with them. That's cute. Anyway, guys, this is what I'm doing. So I'm gonna get off now, and I'm just gonna walk. And I'm probably just going to go home. I want to give them enough time to... Well, I want to give my husband enough time to say, where is she? He hasn't called me yet. Like I said, he probably thinks I'm door dashing. What is this? There's a little trail, guys, and there's a bunch of ducks. I hope they don't chase me, though. That would be bad. Let me just say that as I'm walking, I feel like it has to be God, because I hear in my head that you have come so far with me. You have come so far. I would never be, years ago, I could never do this. And this meaning anything that I'm doing right now, I couldn't do. I'd be too scared to even drive. I couldn't even drive. Forget doing DoorDash. The thought to even want to be away would have never popped in my head. I would feel like I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it alone. So I do feel stronger, and I know that part is God giving me the strength. So thank you. Thank you, Jehovah, because I know that's you. I know that's you, God. My faith is getting stronger. I've been trying to talk to God more. I bought that Bible. I haven't read. I started in Genesis. I just don't know where to start. Guys, give me some scriptures, some good scriptures to start. I could read it from the beginning, but there's a lesson here. I just don't know what it is yet. Is it for me? Is it a lesson for me? Like, I don't know what I did. I know that it's just kind of been like boiling up. Things have just been like boiling up. Because I said before, I want to run away. Because it's usually my older son that could get me. And then with Kilo, guys, I just spoiled everybody. And now that I'm getting older and I feel like sometimes I just need some time, I shouldn't feel guilty about, oh, there's a chipmunk, about needing time for myself. I raised my kids. My daughter is 14. I'm still raising her, but she's 14. Everybody can cook and clean. My mom says, see, I've been telling you for a long time, nobody's gonna starve if you don't do it. I'm just so used to doing it. So when, like, if he looks at me funny, off the rip, I had to explain myself because, why aren't you cooking? Well, because I cooked. And there's leftover. Why would you do that? Anyway, so I could go to a hotel. I could do that. But I don't have any of my stuff. But I guess I don't need it. I can go get something to eat. Go get maybe a pack of cigarettes. Something to eat. I don't even know if the hotel has space over here. I want to prove my point, and because I really can't see myself going back and wanting to talk. I don't want to talk. I want people just to get it. You know what I'm saying? Just fucking get it. You know what's going on. You know. And if you don't know, then it gotta be me. And if it's me and I'm the problem, then fucking leave. Or I'll leave. This is what I don't understand. Like, in my mind, when I talk, I'm just a realist. I don't beat around the bush. I'm not going to sugarcoat shit. Sorry, that's not who I am. I'm going to think about all the possible outcomes. Good, bad, ugly. I am. That's who I am. So if you say something, I'm going to say, well, I mean, who the fuck don't do that shit? A dumbass don't fucking think about everything that could possibly, like, I get it, take risks, but I'm 42 years old. I know that there's some risks that you just don't take anymore. Anyway, let's drive around real quick. feel like I wish that I could just take my RV and just go somewhere for like a week, but I'm not sure if anything is open now. I could totally do that. Totally. Honestly. I could totally do that. Anyway, this is what I did. This is it. I don't know what I want to do. I just know that I just want to be happy. And I think that I'm just gonna go home, make myself something to eat, go in my room, maybe I'll take a hot bath, and don't go, buddy. What are you doing? Take a hot bath and maybe make some stuff, create some stuff. I had a really long day, and I was having a good day until whatever, life goes on, right, guys? Just deal with it. I don't really know. It's the ups and the downs. The ups and the downs. And that's what it is. Anyway, thanks for letting me vent, I guess, because I talked to my mom, but she was on her way somewhere. My mom gets me. She understands. She's a woman, you know. She understands. But like, I messaged my cousins. You know, I called my sister-in-law. Like, I needed to really like just talk it out. You know, I don't know what there isn't anything that I wanted anybody to specifically say. I needed to cry, but I cried to myself, really. I have agita. Tomorrow's gonna be a better day. I'm not going with Tony for his teeth either. Nope. He swears he's not gonna go anymore. And holy shit. Is that my car? Something smells. Oh fuck, I hope I didn't ruin my car. I hope I didn't ruin my car going up those bumps. Something smells. I'm scared now. I was thinking that going over all them bumps at the cemetery probably wasn't good for my car. Okay, I don't think it was me. Alright guys, let me get off. I love you mucho. Until the next video. I don't even know what I was saying, but I will see you guys later. By the way, guys, it's not my car. I don't smell it anymore. I'm still in my car, guys. I took another delivery. Made good money today. But I'm still in my car. And it's dark. I think I've been going for about 3 hours. Nobody's called me. I mean, why would they? They know I'm not cooking dinner. I mean, they would only call me to see what's for dinner, right? They're hungry. I even debated on just staying in my camper. But what would that do? It's like I guess I'm just not going to talk to nobody, right? Just not going to talk. I'll just do what I do. I'll talk to you guys. And I won't talk to anybody in the house. Then nobody could say anything about me. Right? And then they're going to be like, well, why didn't you tell me? I wasn't sure if you wanted to hear it. I can tell that I've lost myself for a minute, but I can also tell that I'm re-finding myself. And I refuse to let this crush me, you know? I am worth it. I do mean something. My words are purposeful. So fuck anybody who thinks otherwise. I know my worth. It's one thing for somebody to say, we need you. And another thing for you to feel like people need you. You know? Not like they need you to make their lives easier. More like they need you because they're not complete without you. You know? So yeah, I'm still sitting, contemplating, just not wanting to go in. I'm pretty sure nobody's gonna ask me where I was. Pretty sure. If they do, I'll just say I was door dashing. Yeah, and I'll continue. What do I want to eat? I think nachos, maybe. Sour cream. I didn't really eat, guys. I had yogurt and granola. And I had 2 pieces of toast with avocado. I made farina for Angie because she's sick, so I made her farina. I think I had a spoonful of that. And that was it. Right now, I'd be cleaning up the mess in the kitchen from cooking. Why the fuck? I don't understand. Like, don't people think, like, so selfish. So selfish. Like, yes, I expect you to cook even though we have a full fridge of leftovers. No, I don't want to eat what I ate 2 days ago. Why would I want to do that? I'd rather have my wife try to concoct something new. That sounds so unselfish. Alright, well, I think I'm still on. I'm still on for delivery, but I'm not. They were supposed to kick me off at 7. I've been on since 11:30 to 7. I've been delivering from 11:30 to 7. And I think I'm done. Should go get myself something to eat. Shit. Fuck. Assholes. Alright, bye. I'm done. End rant here. Hopefully tomorrow's a better day. I told you what I'm gonna do when I get in the house anyway, so hopefully everybody just fucking leaves me alone, or you're gonna see me right back in this car. Really going to a hotel or some shit. Okay, bye. Yep, that's all mine. Yep.